Hello, friends, or should I say, hello, Space Commanders. Are you ready to go with me on an astronaut adventure mission? We're going to be reading it together. I'll read the pages of the book to you of the Outer Space Adventure, and then we'll do the things that it says on each of the pages. Are you ready? Here we go. This astronaut says, "Hello. We've just received word from Mission Control. It's time to begin our mission. Complete 5 space challenges to receive your Junior Astronaut Medal." We're going to do all of the space challenges because we like to do all of them. Here are the space challenges. Where should we go first? We could go on the space shuttle, the shooting stars, to Venus, to the lunar rover, to Mars, to Jupiter, Mercury, or a comet. I think that the first place we should go is the space shuttle because we have to get on the rocket ship to blast off before we can go to any of these planets. Here we go. Let's go to the space shuttle and see what it says. All right. The astronaut says, "The shuttle is prepared for liftoff in T-minus 10 seconds. Squat down to the ground and we'll start our countdown." All right, will you count down with me? We're going to pretend to be a rocket. Rockets count down from 10, and then when they get to 1, then they yell, "Blast off," and they blast off into the air. So that's what we'll do. We'll start like this, crouching down, and we'll go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! I blasted off into the air as high as I could. All right. Which planet? I think we should go to a planet first. I think I'm going to pick Mercury because that is the closest planet to the sun. So, the astronaut says Mercury is the smallest planet and has the shortest orbit around the sun. That means that it goes around the sun in a circle. That's what an orbit means. You'll be doing some fancy footwork for this mission. Put one foot on the floor. That foot will be the sun, and the other foot will be Mercury. I'll show you how we'll do it. Oh, let me see. There we go. So I'm going to have this foot be the sun. This foot will stay still, and this foot is going to be Mercury and go around the sun. It goes around in a circle. The sun foot is staying still, but the Mercury foot is going around it just like Mercury orbits around the sun. That's kind of tricky. I'm going to try it with my feet switched. I'm going to have this foot be the sun and this foot be Mercury. Here I go! Mercury! Moving around the sun. If that's a really tricky one, that's okay. Well, we'll try another one. Good job rotating and being in orbit. All right, let's see. Let's go to Mars. He says, "Congratulations, you've arrived on Mars. Did you know that you could jump almost 3 times higher on Mars than you could on Earth? Your mission is to test it out. Let's jump as high as we can, 5 times. We're going to pretend that we're on Mars and that when we jump, it jumps us really high in the air. So let's pretend together. Ready? Woo! Look at me! I'm jumping on Mars and I jump so high up in the air. Wow! Look at all these cool rocks. This planet is red. Wow, I like to look at all the stuff on Mars. I can jump with one foot first, or I can jump with both my feet together. And both jumps are so high up in the air. All right, we did some jumping on Mars. Where should we go next? Let's see. I think that while we're on Mars, we should do the lunar rover. Oh, wait. That's the lunar rover. The lunar rover is on the moon. I was thinking of the Mars rover, which is on Mars. That's okay. We'll do that one anyway. The lunar rover says, "Buckle up, friend. This mission could get dangerous. We need to practice driving the rover on the test course. A rover is like a special kind of remote control car or a robot car that they send to land on a planet or on the moon. So we had a rover go to the moon and we had a rover go to Mars. And no person is in that car, but people on Earth are driving the car with a remote control. So they say, for this mission, your body will become the rover. Oh, all right. This is how we do it. We put our hands back behind us and push up with our legs and then drive around. Oh, I'm driving around the moon. Are you driving around with me? I'm going to drive all the way over here and all the way over there. Whee! That was fun. If I was the rover, I would want to pick up some of the moon rocks and take them home with me. And then the scientists could study them. All right, let's see, where should we go next? I think let's go to the shooting stars. For this mission, you have to become a shooting star. We're going to do it like this. We're going to lie down on our back with our knees pulled up to our chest. Now this is like a ball. If I was going to make a person into a ball, I think it would look like this. If I was going to make a person into a star, I think it would look like this. Because stars have 5 points, so your head and your hands and your feet are all the points of the star. But a shooting star happens really fast. It starts out as a little ball, and then when it starts to burn up, it explodes into a shooting star. So we're going to count to 3, and then we're going to explode. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Shooting star! Let's do it again. That was fun. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Shooting star! Woo! I'm going to do it one more time. You can do it with me. Let's curl up into a tight, tight ball and wait. We'll go 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was a fun one. All right, let's see what we should do next. Which ones have we not done? We have done the shooting star, we have done Mercury, we've done the shuttle, we've done Mars, and we have done the rover. So we haven't done Venus or Jupiter or Comet. I'm going to do Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet. It says, did you know that Jupiter has more than 70 moons? A moon is can be around any planet and not just around the Earth, but we call ours the moon, but lots of other planets have moons too. For this mission, you will be Jupiter. Grab a ball or a pair of rolled up socks. So this is what I have. I have a ball, but I also have rolled up socks. If you don't have a ball and you don't have some socks that you can roll up, you could use a roll of toilet paper that's just out of the package, or you could use a shirt that you roll up, or you could use anything that's soft. And we're going to stand up to be this one, and the moon goes around the Earth in a circle, and the 70 moons go around Jupiter in a circle, so we're going to make this moon go around us, like this. I got to scoot the camera back some more so you can see me. We'll make the moon go around us in a circle. See how I'm passing it from one hand to the other hand? What about making it go the other direction? I'm going to stop and reverse. My moon's going the other way now. Can you make the moon go around her head? Whoa, I can see the moon going around. I can see this moon going around my head. What about, can you make it go around your ankles or your legs? This moon is going around my legs. I'm going to make the moon slowly move up my body. All the way up gets to going around my head. Now I'm going to make the moon go all the way back down. Ta-da! Did you make the moon go all the way around you? All right, let's see which ones we haven't done yet. Let's go to Venus. It says, "Welcome to Venus. Did you know that this planet rotates slower than any of the others? It also spins in the opposite direction of Earth. Your mission is to spin like Venus." We're gonna spin, but Venus spins really slowly. So we're gonna spin slowly in one direction. Slow spins. Here we go. Woo! Freeze! What about spinning in the other direction? Whoa, I'm spinning the other direction like Venus does. Earth spins in one direction and Venus spins in the other direction. Ooh, it makes me a little bit dizzy to spin. Does it make you feel dizzy when you spin? Let's not spin so much that we get too dizzy. Might fall over. All right, we have gone to Venus, the lunar rover, Mars, the shuttle, Jupiter, Mercury, and shooting stars, but we have not gone to the comet. Let's do that one now. A comet is a chunk of ice and dust that orbits around the sun. We're going to do some comet target practice. This one is fun. Let's pick a target that's something safe. I'm going to use a pillow for my target. You could use a chair or the back of your couch or part of your bed or something that's safe, but not people or animals or anything that could get hurt or break. And we're going to take some rolled up socks like we use for our moon or some balls, as long as they're soft and not big balls like a soccer ball or a basketball. And then we're going to back up as far as you can and then try to hit the target 5 times, all right? 1, 2, uh-oh, I missed with that one. I missed way over it. That's okay. I can try again. If it's too hard, I could scoot closer. And if it's too easy, I can scoot further away. This is a little bit too easy for me. So I'm going to move my target over here so you can still see it. And then I'm going to move myself further away. Here I go. I'm going to try to hit that target. Woo! Oh no, I missed. Woo! Woo! I hit 2 targets in a row. Woo! Be sure not to throw it at any people or any animals or anything that could get hurt or break. But just throw it at a target like a pillow. This is a fun one. I like throwing the ones at the comet. Woo! Woo! I knocked the pillow over! Goal! All right. I hit it 5 times. Did you hit your target 5 times? This is Mission Control. You have successfully completed all the space missions. We would like to be the first to congratulate you on receiving your astronaut medal. Look at that, you get a medal for being an astronaut. That's super cool. I had so much fun blasting off to space with you. I really love being an astronaut. When I was little, I used to want to be an astronaut when I grew up because I wanted to get to travel to the moon or to Mars on a spaceship. I am so happy that you played astronaut with me today. And I can't wait to talk with you about it the next time that I see you. All right, see you later. Bye.